Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that was sent by a reader, James from Lakeside, California. Thank you, dude. This is Kum Kee Chinese-style Dan Dan noodles. And so far, everything from this range has really not been so good. So, yeah. But I totally appreciate being able to try these things. That's the thing. People are like, well, I didn't want to send you that because it looks like you don't like that kind of flavor. It's like, oh, no. My favorite flavor is the one I haven't tried yet. So, bring it on. So, what's the deal here? Noodle pouch. Coarse sauce and sesame. Loosely covered with lid. Microwave high, 2 to 3 minutes. Doesn't say the wattage. That's no fun. I like it when they have at least a recommendation of the wattage, because we've got a death microwave. This microwave is way overpowered. I automatically thought, hey, get the one that's the highest powered. That'd be the best, right? 1000 watt, that's what everything uses, not 1250. So generally what I do is I ratchet it down to 70% power, and that's way more than enough. That does the trick. So here's our noodle pouch. Fun, happy time. Aw, come on. There's our noodles. And we got this sauce. I really hope this is somewhat good. These guys make like some of the best Korean barbecue sauce, and they make this drunken chicken marinade that's just like out of this world, but everything that they've had so far has just been like nasty. I gotta say, it's really gross. I don't like it one bit. You're selling yourselves short, and it's like, I think I know why. I think they're making all these things like trying to make them all like flavors geared more towards American palates. And when that happens, everything goes straight to, you know, it was, there's plenty of varieties that are just like so, it's like expeller pressed cane sugar juice. It's like when I see that, I know I'm not gonna like it. And I haven't looked to see if that's in here, but I'm pretty sure that's what I'm gonna get. Is this funky fake sugar weirdness. So 2.5 minutes. At 70%. Alright, please don't explode. Don't make me have to clean out the microwave. So, how's everybody doing? I'm like, I don't know. I'm here. We didn't have a fireworks display here in town. No parade. My wife's getting over having surgery. And so we basically just sat in all day watching episodes of The Twilight Zone. And that was it. We didn't hear any fireworks going off until like 10 p.m. And they were all done by like 11:15. We didn't hear any more booms, and that was it. It was the weirdest, absolute weirdest 4th of July ever. It was just like dead. And I went to the doctor on Saturday because my foot's been killing me since I did that 16.5 miles in one shot. And so that microwave's going. This Bluetooth from the phone to the speaker over there makes the speaker all funk. Hear that? But yeah, so I've been like rolling my foot with you said I had plantar fasciitis, but now the more I think about it, it's like, I don't know, I think I got something else, but I got a referral to the foot place, so we'll see. Let's try number 37. There is no mandatory retirement age for the founder of a business. All right. But yeah, it's just like, just been really bored. And I mean, once Miles starts going to summer school, oh my God. Later, people, because I'm just gonna throw my daughter in the stroller that she really doesn't fit into anymore, and I'm gonna cruise all over the place during the day and do a lot of walking. I miss that. It's like I feel stuck and like I'm not doing enough. I need more. Need more joie de vivre. Alright. No mess made. I'm not detecting a mess, but man, this thing's hot. Jeepers. There we are. I think we're good. It smells good. So this is Dan noodle. It smells to me more like a, well, first off, I will say it smells nothing like any Dan noodle I've ever had. Nothing Taiwanese, nothing Chinese. I just don't know. Honestly, it smells more like their teriyaki. I think it may be their teriyaki and they added peanut into the mix. But I'm not really expecting anything that's gonna make me happy here. But I'm hopeful, you know. I'll give it a chance. There was a company out of the UK, it was the same thing. There was one that was really good and the rest were just like, it said like authentic street food to your home. It's like authentic. Where did you go eat this? What street vendor made this for you? Was there like a Panda Express? Like somebody went in and bought a bunch of Panda Express and like slapped it in a foam tray? I don't know, but let's see what we got here. Yeah. It's hot, that's for sure. A little bit of spice, a little bit acidic. I mean, like, the amount of citric acid or whatever's going on here is off the chart. But it is incredibly sweet. Yeah, this resembles absolutely nothing of Dan noodle. It really doesn't. It has a couple of the ingredients you might find, maybe a little bit of spice. No. Well, let's make it look pretty. Like something. I don't think I'm even gonna make this look pretty. Try another bite. I'll see this. It has a lot of flavor. It's just the wrong flavor. I just don't. almost has like a vinegar kind of element to it, which I can get with. But the sweetness overshadows it to such a degree, it's just like insulting. It's like just insulting. I mean, it does say Panda brand on it. This seems like something you'd find at Panda Express. Too bad, that's rough. Man, this techno is bad. How bad is this food though? Ladies and gentlemen, what a tragic thing. Are you alright, Rotato? Rotato's plug fell out. The mucus plug that holds in the power, it broke. Oh my goodness. There, I plugged its mucus plug back in. I don't know, I just feel like saying mucus plug. I think that's really gross, but I'm in the mood for... Oh look, homemade chashu. That can't hurt. Sure. Put some homemade chashu on top. The kids love it. Kids just can't get enough of homemade chashu. Yes, yes, y'all. There's some chashu. Today's a weird day. It's an eggless day. Got eggs. Kind of at a loss of what to do now. Black sesame seed. There's a big brouhaha about black sesame seeds and people saying that they were ants in the group. They're not ants. Pretty obviously so. Not ants. Pepper flake. Put this here. Put this here. Go down a little bit. There you go. Well, that's that for now. I want to thank you for watching, and the next thing you're going to see is this. This is Thai Chef. This is a Tom Yum variety from Thailand. Sounds good to me. I know it's going to be better than that. And I was the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.